Hello guys, welcome to this channel. This video will show you how to cut a clip on Capcut. When you have a long clip and you want to move part of your clip, you can click on your clip or video and then you can click split button right here. Before you click the split button, make sure that you have chosen the part of the clip that you want to cut by swiping your screen like this, and you can click split and you can swipe your screen again and then click split, and now you can click on the part of the video or the clip that you want to cut, and you can click delete right here. Okay, click delete, and you can also cut the part of the clip by click on the clip, and then you can drag the video like this to cut the video. Okay guys, that's how we can cut our clip, and thanks for watching.